Testing, testing. Hopefully it works now. Can you guys hear me? You know, I should have just gone on my stream on YouTube to check. Okay, cool. It doesn't sound like muffled or anything. I just hope it picked the right mic up. You know, it's funny. All my wires were tangled up this morning, and I thought, hey, I'll remove it. Like, I'll unplug my mic, and then I thought, like, hey, I'll remember to plug it back in. But then here we are. I forgot to plug it back in. I am going to check if it works though, just in case. Because like sometimes it grabs my my laptop mic instead of my in case. Oh like yeah. Sometimes. Yep, definitely it does work. So yeah, what was I gonna say? I did a little bit of level design earlier today, but yeah, I think we're gonna get really into it, like right now. You know, I really do like these springs though. I might keep it, but we can't really do it here, or I don't really want it here. We'll see. You know what? Maybe we will keep it here. But yeah, I was working out today, and I had this like, I don't know, I want to call it an epiphany, but there's like this realization that like, hey, I really want to get this game out there. So I mean, I keep saying it that I'm gonna like work double time on this game, like to get it released by December, or like get the main demo released by December. It's just hard to like to manage. But I think, I mean, I just have to, you know, I guess, pull my pants up, so to speak. But I guess it's easier said than done. And I think I'm gonna reduce this room to 320 pixels. I mean, it is definitely going to get done. Like, I am going to finish the game by December, or finish, you know, like this whole demo by December. But it's just a matter of making it turn out the way I want it to. Which is, I mean, obviously, I have really high hopes. We have to use this. I forgot. Yeah, I mean, nothing ever goes as planned. I should know this by now, but yeah, still, I'd like to hope for the best, and we'll see how far we get. The thing with level design is that it's like, it's so subjective, you know? You don't really know if you're making a good level, and you won't know until you have people play test. I think I'm just gonna remove this little section here. Maybe we can keep that there. They go here, they jump to this point. Maybe they can dash across, and then when they dash across, there's an orb to reset their dash, and then they can do something there. We might have to push all of this stuff to the left a bit. I'm not entirely sure yet, but we'll see. So yeah, something like that. We'll include an orb somewhere here. Maybe we'll make it like a. It'd be cool if it was like a diagonal maze where you have to like catch. Oh, that's a great idea. And I think the next room will definitely be like a expansion on that. So like maybe I don't know if putting it through here, like there's not much space to work with. So yeah, this will be like the introduction room to that sort of mechanic, and we'll make a fully fledged one in the next room. What is this room called? Or orbs dash orb. So yeah, there's all this space. Maybe we can start lower. Like we could drop this down a bit. So we go down, hit this orb, dash across, hit this one, then dash up, and I think we'll give them like a small break here. And maybe I'm also thinking maybe we could just reduce the size of this whole room. Let me see. It'd be nice if we could fit this whole thing into one screen. That way it's like a static room. We'd have to get rid of a lot to make it static, but it wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, I think we should make it static. I wonder if it's even possible to get. Oh yeah, it is. The only thing that sucks is that you can't get back down, or it's really hard to. We could increase the distance. I mean, yeah, if we have all this space, maybe we'll start it like right here, and maybe start it down here. That way we have all this stuff to work with. So, I think what we'll do for now. I'm just going to move all of this here. And all of this. I'm gonna make this more true to our room dimensions, which is oh, it already has 23 steps. So yeah, it's gonna look more like that. So only issue with starting with a room that's like this big, so that there's not much space on the bottom to do anything. One thing we could theoretically do is maybe actually start on the top, and then work our way around. Like, if I guess that's if we want to like maximize on our space here. I don't like starting too high up because I notice people like to jump. So like they jump and then they hit the ceiling, and I don't like that. So I think we can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think right here would be good. We'll test it out. And we could even start a little higher. So we could do like, he dashes through, goes here, then dashes left. Oh, we're gonna make this super cool. I think. I wish I was better at recording like the distances that we're going, because not entirely sure. I think our distance for the dash is 6 or 7 tiles, so yeah, I think it's 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll try right there. I mean, it's always going to be different based on whether or not you're using coyote jumps. So let's see. That's more than enough. We actually want it to be a little closer because there's going to be a dash orb right there. Or actually, no, it's not going to be there. It's going to be slightly lower. But another thing they could do is they theoretically could do that if they wanted to. One thing I really like about actually limiting the size of our rooms to like this is that like you're forced to get a little bit more creative, and there's no like wasted space. We might want to add something like that. Okay, so yeah, another issue is that once we get here, we have to dash, and I'm not sure if we could dash, like we dash here, we'd get like what? You know, let's just test it out. Well, actually, if we dash from here to here, we could put like a wall here. This would be like their mini break, and they could catch this wall, jump here, jump here, catch this dash, maybe dash back up. Put one right there. I have to fix our spawn. So we dash, cross, dash this way. Whoop. It's a lot harder than I thought. Let's try this again. Dash, 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 dash. And I think we have to bring them a little closer. Boom, 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 boom. I think I'm gonna get rid of that bounce too. The bounce effect that happens on a dash. Yeah, it's you know, I also don't like the idea of spamming the dash button here. So I think we should figure out a way around that. And it's also hard to do it in this room. C dash here. Drop down. So there's no space unless we added maybe like a platform here to give them, you know, like a break. Thing is, this is so low. I don't know, man. And we're gonna have spikes everywhere too. Dash over, dash here, drop down, dash. Let's see how that looks. Probably put it like a... You could put a checkpoint here, although I don't think it's necessary. These are too small, but we'll try it out. I think I got it. All right. So I think we're gonna actually we're gonna have to figure out we have to add a texture for this, for these edge pieces, that look like this, so that they look like this. But you know, right now I don't have a bit mask that handles that, so we'll have to fix that. For now, it's just gonna look silly. We're gonna lower this by 1. Maybe. I think we could leave that the way it is. And I think we're gonna do something like that. Alright, so we don't have an orb here, so either... Let me think. I mean, theoretically, we could just do... You don't need an orb here. But we'll have it anyway. And I mean, you could do this. But that's whack. It would be nice to have multiple solutions, but... So they're here. Maybe we'll put an orb right there on the bottom. Another thing I kind of don't like is that we're not showing the full light here. I think maybe we could theoretically just bring it to the left a bit. And also, I kind of don't like how we could have to put spikes here. Wouldn't be a bad idea. But if we wanted to be funny about it, I think we could do something like this. And then put spikes up here, so if they just jump in, they'll hit the spikes. It's not really like, necessary, but it'd be funny. Only thing is, yeah, I think it would always hit our player. Although you could do this, but we'll put spikes here too. So if this is the case, wait, let me try. So we're gonna have to make some new textures. So I'd like to maximize on the whole room. And actually I'm gonna delete this here. Oh no, it doesn't hit us though. Honestly, it's a little too cramped, in my opinion. I do like the idea of having those springs there, but yeah, it might be a little too much. Maybe we could do it somewhere else. Oh man, I have so many ideas. Like, we could have just dropped it down a bit, made it go horizontally instead, and then made it like a little maze. But I think we could just have multiple rooms. I'll need to figure out what to do here though. You know what sucks? Why does this not? I might bump up our collisions a bit, just so that this could kill the player. Either that, or we have to make our springs a little stronger. Then we'd be messing with too much. Let me see. I mean, yeah, our head is technically touching the hitbox here. Maybe we should be less lenient with that. Yeah, like, you know, we're sliding right there on that wall. Let's do it. Yeah, it should go at least to the eyes, right? Or up to the hair. And as for our standing collision, so there's one thing that kind of sucks about this, and that's on the bottom here. You have to kind of jump to get across, and I think it's hard for people to realize that they can like tap to light jump instead of like if you hold it, you jump really high. So maybe we'll actually decrease. Let me see. We could. So yeah, these are a little too close in my opinion. The orbs right here. And I also don't like the idea that you have to be very close to get to this ledge here. I think we should make it one tile shorter. Or maybe just make this one tile longer. We'll see, we'll see. Maybe... Only thing is we kind of need an even amount. Unless we did something like this. I think I've got a good idea. What we could do, we could kind of make this into a puzzle. It's like right now it seems pretty straightforward that, you know, you have to go to the left, to the right, and then, you know, go through here. But then at this point, you don't... Oh yeah, I think I like this. Because I think it might be hard for people to... And what's nice about this is that, you know, if you're good at the game, or like, you know, you're, you know, god tier, you can probably dash. You probably could get to the end point in 2 dashes, but something like that. Wait, let me see if I could do it. Yeah, something like that. But I don't think most people will be able to you know, accomplish that. So what we could do is dash, dash. Well, there's gonna be spikes there, so you can't do that. Dash across, dash. Oh my god. Basically, dash here, then dash here, and then get up here somehow. and then from there you can dash and get to the point you need to go to. I think that's how we'll do it. So it seems like this is even harder, harder to get to pull off. Let me see. It's possible. I think I'll lower this by 1. Maybe I don't even have to. But yeah, it should still be able to. I think you could still possibly get up there. Yeah, you could get up there in 2 dashes. Wait, you basically have to be high enough, which it's kind of hard to catch, because you have to dash through here, basically, oh, like that. Yeah, I think we'll leave the room like this. I think I will bring this down 1, just so I don't torture our players too much. Oh. So this is a problem. Maybe. Maybe we could just lower this up to here. We'll put some. Oh, I shouldn't have deleted those spikes. Maybe we'll keep it as 2. Just 2 orbs. think you should still be able to get up there. No. Hey, how's it going, Georgian? If I'm pronouncing that correctly. So yeah, maybe I'll lower it in entirely. Like maybe up to the base here. I just need to make sure that we can't jump like on top of it, which I don't think that'll happen. Well, yeah, let's just do it now. And you know what? I think I should make it 2 tiles instead of 1. And maybe... yeah, 3 tiles there is fine. Dash across, dash, dash. Oh my god. My slow reaction times. So I think you could, yeah, you could catch it. Well, yeah, we'll make it 1 up. We'll bring it up 1 tile, and we'll put a spike right below it so we can't do that. Oh, wait, what? Oh, you could do that. You don't even need these orbs. You can just catch the orb, go back to the wall. Right. Just do that. Oh no. So yeah, maybe we'll just include one orb, because we could just do that kind of. Oh my god. I think you get the point. We'll have to move the spike. I mean the orb further to the right, maybe. Either way, it's going to be pretty hard to get. Even if I allow it to happen, that doesn't mean people are going to be able to do it. So like this should still be, you know what? I'm going to put a checkpoint right here. So that's an option. This is also an option. This is an option. But I'm thinking if it's kind of redundant to have both of these orbs here. because you can already get up. Like, oh no. Yeah, you can always get. Oh, but we are going to move. We are going to move this up one. So maybe that'll change things. I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom. I'm actually going to head off right now, but I'll be back in like. I really want to stream again today, but we'll see. I think we're basically done with this room. I'll test it out one more time. So yeah, that's an option. Wait, what the hell? How did we get a dash? Okay, right, okay. I mean, no. Oh, we got the dash from just doing that. So if you already have the dash, it'd be easy, but you don't have the dash at that point. So yeah, that's how we got it. And so yeah, that was an option. Doing this is an option. I think that's good, because now we have an option for our really good players, and then we have an option for our not so good players. I mean, I think they're still both very hard, but I think the right side is a lot harder. There's more time-based, whereas this one is this one's kind of like training wheels. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you around.